Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are at a drag racing event for a local club here named Cruisin' in Mind. So we're doing drag racing. Yeah, we're not driving my car today because it's still broken, but we're going to be taking the speed down the track, so it should be pretty fun. So I think we're just going to get right into racing. Brit's going to film from the side, even though my lens is not rated for track zoom. But maybe she can get some on her phone, and then yeah, so I think we're just gonna get right into it. I don't know who I'm gonna race first, but hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, there you go, use your words, lady. But yeah, so I think we're just gonna get right into it and start racing. I can't really launch the speed, but like I'm gonna try and get some good times, but we'll see. I'm gonna take it easy for the first couple runs. I gotta put on pants, put on my helmet, and full sends. Right, Kyle? This is Kyle, everybody. He drives a bagged, kind of fast Jenny. We'll see. Kinda. We'll see how it goes.
Faster than this, hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay, let's go line up then.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, 14.57.
I can't wait to get the video. What again? What did it get?
14.57 at 98.
Really? I shifted too early. I knew I did.
Next time, maybe next time.
So the issue with this car, unlike my car, is the gearing is way too short.
Yeah.
So I have to shift like so many times, and I'm trying not to like the whole time.
What were you? Oh yeah, the GTR. But
Yeah.
we won. You won?
Did we? What was this time?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't look.
You looked in the right lane, right?
Yeah.
Like the right side?
Good job.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Wait, get this. I'm a race car.
Oh my god. 15.06.
Really?
Yeah.
15.6. Did you let off at the end?
That blow off though. Oh! God damn it.
Travis claimed that it would beat the Golf R. So what just happened on that last run, Braden?
I don't know. I sent it, and then my intake popped off. I thought my car was
into limp mode.
Yeah.
Oh, I shouldn't swear, but yeah, that was really funny. Me and Kyle were lined up right behind Braden. He somehow got in front of us, and we're literally sitting there, and Braden's just like, it looks like he stopped on the track, and we're just like, what the f is going on? And then the time comes up finally, and it was 45 seconds.
Better win slowest car.
Yeah, so there's a trophy today for slowest car, and we're thinking Braden should win it now. That was your goal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Cam, this is Cam. You guys, have you been in a video? No. Cam has a 180 with a SR in it. Very and he got a funny video, so I'll put that in right now.
What happened? All of this is your shit? No.
So yeah, it was hilarious.
How long ago did you get it?
Something happened. Oh, 69. Nice.
You're running that.
You're not gonna believe what you got.
What?
17.69.
Nice.
Nice.
I fully missed third. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna keep going. I was like, I'll just get a little bit of boost and then pop. I would have had the speed 6. What? Yeah, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna wait for Braden. Yeah, and then we're gonna go put the front lip on. Pissed off. My hands are so sweaty that it slipped, and I was like, oh okay, well, missed that. The Focus would be faster than us, so there was no point in racing him.
Going against a golf bar,
Alright, so we are back from the drag strip. We left early because honestly it's just way too hot to be dragging, like drag racing, because it's too hot to even speak or think of what I need to say. Just due to the fact that like the car gets heat soaked and then it just gets hot and then you just basically lose power. So I don't know, it's better to do it at night, especially in the summer. So we're just gonna save it, not cook it. Figured out some issues that we're gonna need to deal with, and it'll be simple stuff. But as a little bonus, we're gonna throw a front lip on the Speed. So it's a front lip from a STI, like a 06, 07 STI. So we're gonna throw this on to this. It's taped off because we have to cut a little bit. We're just gonna cut off a bit here because it's hitting the tire, and then yeah, we're just gonna basically measure twice, cut once sort of thing. Not actually cut once, cut a couple times. There's a couple of parts that need to be cut off, so we're gonna do that, and then yeah, might as well look even better.
Yeah.
You got to touch them. There we go. So yeah, Brit can record me doing that. So unfortunately, the only thing I have to cut this is my angle grinder. So it might not be the prettiest cut, but we're gonna try our best. That's gonna spin at me. Hold it tight. Actually a pretty good cut. So if you're wondering what the tape is for, it's so that all this stuff, ow, that's really hot. All like this stuff, you can just peel off and then it's a clean cut. So that helps with that. So I didn't exactly cut it straight, but that's okay. Now onto the other side. Now, Brit will have to put down the camera and we're gonna test fit it quick and then we'll just pick it up. Oh, Brit's gonna figure out how to prop this. The bumper. Okay, so you need to...
This is at the edge.
Okay, so it's at the edge of the bumper, right?
Yeah.
And are you pushed all the way in? Like as far as you can?
No.
Okay, do that.
Okay.
That's pushed in all the way as well, right? There should be a rubber splash guard in the way, right? Okay. Hold this. Hey. Don't go anywhere. Gotta push forward a tiny bit. Not hard. Not hard. No, no, no. Release. Okay, so where does that end? Right there. So I'm just gonna cut a little notch right there. Okay, so we need to cut a. So we need to cut a little notch just like that. So Bert's gonna measure it probably 2.5. Nice, right on the dot. So yeah, we're gonna do 2.5 and then maybe 1/2 inch in. We'll cut it more if we have to. Okay, so we did some cutting, did some molding, did some bending, and some crying because we bought the wrong lip. We found the actual lip that we're supposed to order, so we're probably just gonna order that and then put that on another day, along with maybe some side skirts and possibly a rear diffuser, but Brit's not a huge fan of it, which I can understand. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I guess that's kind of the end of today's video. Little anticlimactic, yeah, a little boring, not super great. No, not boring, but didn't accomplish what we were trying to do in both parts of this video, which was prove that the Speed is faster than my car, because I still think it is, and prove that, or not prove that, and put a front lip on. It didn't go very well. But yeah, with the Speed and my car, so my car runs 13.9 as is. So yeah, my car runs 13.9 as is. I figured that this would be faster, but I raced my car at night, so that helped my time personally, because it was a lot cooler and I got a lot cooler intake temps. Maybe we'll take this to like a Friday night street legals once we do the motor mounts, because that's what we realized we need to do today very, very badly. We knew already, but it's worse, I'd say. Rear motor mount is like falling apart. This one's cracking, and I don't know about the other one. But yeah, so I think that's going to be it for today's video. As per usual, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe as well. Go watch some other videos, go like them. But yeah, we'll see what you're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Nice. There we go.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like I pretend.